Adaptive is responsible for building, or is able to build, the entirety of the platform that we deliver for our customers. But the UI is what they see, and it's really what they feel like they're paying for, despite all the work that goes in under the covers and in the plumbing, so to speak. We still run into clients now and then who have never worked with a UX professional or a visual designer, and they sometimes query why the developers aren't doing the design. And when we take them through the value that it adds, some of them are skeptical, some of them buy in very quickly, but after a delivery, after they see what they get out of it, they're really convinced that there is value on spending time making a great looking application and thinking about how the users will interact with it, as much as there is spending time on designing the architecture so that it's available and resistant to outages. So we think that the UI is really the thing that needs the most focus and the most attention from a look and feel perspective. The big transition that's underway in financial services and capital markets world at the moment, and it's not just started, it's been going for 2 or 3 years, is away from thick client applications written in .NET or Java to HTML5. No client that we've started working with in the last 2 years has started a project in anything but HTML5, and we don't see that changing. The UI in the web world is really stitched together from a huge amount of components from different sources, some open source, some commercial, and we think that ChartIQ is a great addition. I think the Trader Desktop of 2020 is going to look similar in some ways to how it does today, but there's going to be a great shift towards digital assistants and AI, for lack of a better, more specific phrase, than there is today. The amount of information people are expected to consume is only going to increase, and there's simply no way that people can continue to make good, rational decisions with more and more information being fed into them. What they need is for that information to be curated in some way, and I expect machine learning and that range of techniques to play have more and more of an impact on the Trader Desktop.